Today we will be discussing about how to take care of the skin during the pregnancy. Hello all, I am Dr. Shilpa Sangpal, dermatologist, cosmetologist and trichologist, Dermacos Skin, Hair and Laser Clinic, Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. As you all know, pregnancy is such a wonderful feeling. For a woman, being a mother is a very precious thing in her life. But pregnancy comes along with its happy moments and some challenging roles also. In pregnancy, we need to take care of ourselves more. We need some pampering, we need some care, we need to take care of the extra care. A lot of changes are happening in the pregnancy, which may cause some good effects, some bad effects on our body and specifically on our skin. So today we'll be discussing about how to take care of our skin in pregnancy. In pregnancy, there are a lot of restrictions are there. What we eat, what we apply on our body, on our skin, there are a lot of extra care is required. As you know, during the pregnancy, a lot of hormonal changes they are happening, like progesterone, estrogen. These kind of the hormones, they will increase the sudden rise in the blood. It will be there. So because of these hormones, there is a special glow, skin will be shining. Then some women, they experience some amount of the hair growth, the hair volume also will increase. But at the same moment, some women, they experience some darkness of the skin, the dullness of the skin. They will experience sometimes acne on their face. Some will develop some skin tags. And of course, the stretch mark is very much nightmare of every pregnant lady. So these kind of the changes are happening in the body. So how to take care of the skin during this period? Specifically, there are certain creams or the certain molecules we should avoid in the pregnancy. Those are, we should avoid the anti-aging creams which are containing the retinoids. We should avoid the retinoid creams and the gel or any products containing retinoids. The other product is salicylic acid. We should avoid the salicylic acid containing face washes, creams. So most of the time these products, they do absorbed in some amount, very little amount in your blood. So we should avoid these kind of the products during the pregnancy. You can use the products which are containing the glycolic acid creams or glycolic acid face washes you can use to clean your face. This will be the good exfoliative and for improving the pigmentation or the tanning of your skin. So you can use the glycolic acid products, they are absolutely safe. Along with that, you should use the sunscreen very regularly, because sunscreen is the most important part of every skin care routine. Though you are indoor or outdoor, you have to use the sunscreen. There should not be any excuse if you want to keep your skin healthy and glowing, and you want to keep your skin maintained. So that is very much important. Other thing is that you have to hydrate yourself very much, because as much as you drink or take fruits, take juices and drink a lot of water, your skin will be and your entire body will be hydrated. And of course, you have to eat very good diet, healthy diet. You should avoid the outside junk food, colored food specifically, and some essence containing food. You should avoid this food during the pregnancy. Most of us are using makeup products. So before going to the bed, it is very much important to remove your makeup with the help of the micellar water. Don't use any kind of the oil or any kind of the baby lotion to remove that. Most of the time people do that, but please remove with the micellar water. and after removing the makeup, do apply vitamin C serums. Vitamin C serums are very much antioxidant. They are hydrating your skin, they are repairing your skin. It's a good product for your skin. Apart from that, there are a lot of stretch marks which are happening in every pregnant lady. So once you conceive, start applying the moisturizer as early as possible on the on your stomach. Exactly what happens in the stretch marks, whenever once you conceive and your the tummy is increasing in the size, so it stretches the skin. So because of the stretching beyond some limit, so there is a wear and tear of your elastic fibers, the collagen fibers. So there will be the thinning and thinning of the skin, the dryness of the skin will be there. So it is very much important to apply lots of moisturizers, most of the time containing cocoa butter, shea butter, some peptides, ceramides. So this will help to hydrate that area, and it may prevent the intensity of the stretch marks. So as early as possible you start applying that, so you can reduce your stretch mark appearance. Apart from this, some ladies, they develop acne during the pregnancy, which is very common. They are having because of the hormonal changes, they will develop lots of acne. So in these cases, try to keep your skin cleansed with the help of the glycolic acid face washes, or certain sensitive skin face washes. You can cleanse your face with that. And you can avoid the sweet products, maida products, because these products can increasing your glycemic index also, so they flare up your pimples during this period. Apart from that, you can use a sunscreen, which is also very much important. In these patients, they sometimes feel dryness also, but in acne prone skin you should use some lightweight moisturizer which are non-comedogenic and which are non-greasy, little bit of matte finish moisturizers which are not sticky. So even moisturizing the skin is very much important. Apart from some skin changes, there are lots of hair changes also, but most of the time during the pregnancy there are a lot of increase in the hormones. So they will experience shiny and hair, the lots of luster will be there, and there is an increase in the volume of the hair. But some people, some ladies, they develop even the hair fall during the pregnancy. So during that time they should continue the hemoglobin and the iron tablets and the folic acid tablets which are prescribed by their gynecologist. They should continue with that, because during pregnancy lots of anemia is happening, and because of that also hair fall can happen. So they can continue with these tablets. Apart from that, they should use sulfate free and the paraben free shampoos for the hair, which are absolutely safe. They are even safe for the scalp and the hair. They will not remove the moisture from your hair, so they can use these kind of the shampoos. So in short, during the pregnancy you should take care of your skin and hair, eat healthy, sleep properly, don't starve. Even though the nausea and vomiting is there, but that get resolved by the third month. But try to eat healthy and properly, hydrate your body regularly, drink lot of fluids, lot of water and the juices, fresh fruits, do the meditation, yoga, which will maintain your brain also calm, and that will maintain your healthy skin and hair and the entire body. Do take care of your skin and hair during the pregnancy. Pregnancy is a very precious thing, so lots of extra care is required, and have a healthy life. We keep on uploading lots of videos regarding the skin, hair on our YouTube channel, so please subscribe our channel, Dermacos Skin, Hair and Laser Clinic. Please follow our Instagram page also, Dermacos Skin Clinic. We keep on posting regarding the skin and hair health. So thanks a lot and keep watching our channel. Thank you.